Hello, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine and good. Today, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 1, Unit 2, Poem Trees. Children, come, let's sing the song. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem trees fruits are very small. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem trees fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Children, this is Numerator. Listen carefully. What is the topic of the poem? Trees. Yes. Tell me some name of the trees. Neem tree, coconut tree, banyan tree, tamarind tree. Yes, good children. Trees give us medicine. They give fruits. They are the home of birds and animals. They provide shade to us, prevent soil erosion, bring rain and keep the temperature low. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Right, children? Children, look at the poem. This poem is adapted from a poem written by Sarah Coleridge. Sarah Coleridge. Sarah Coleridge was an English author and translator. She had written the poem Trees about oak, aspen, beech, willow trees, etc. The same has been adapted for Indian trees. Children, look at the first line. The banyan is the largest of trees. Banyan is the largest of trees. The poet says the banyan tree is the largest of all trees. Largest, which means very big or huge. It is a huge tree with aerial roots. Aerial roots, which means roots are found hanging in the air. It has a thick trunk and soft leaves. It provides food for birds and shelter for birds, animals and humans. It is a national tree. Children, which is our national tree? Yes, banyan. Banyan is our national tree. Look at the second line. The people quivers in the breeze. Quivers. Shakes quickly. Breeze, a light wind. The peepal tree is also known as the sacred fig tree. It has a beautiful heart-shaped leaf. It trembles and shakes rapidly even in a gentle wind, which looks attractive. It has a lot of medicinal values and cures many health problems. Children, look at the third line. The coconut grows up straight and tall. Coconut grows up straight and tall. The coconut tree, unlike the banyan, the tree grows tall and straight. The coconuts have water inside, which has a lot of medicinal properties. Oil is extracted from coconuts. It is used for cooking and cosmetic purposes. Other uses include using the shells and husks for craft works. Look at the fourth line, children. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The neem tree is another Indian tree that has a lot of medicinal value. The fruits and seeds are tiny. Tiny, which means very small, but are a rich source of neem oil. Rich source of neem oil. People even worship it. It is available in all the places. It has bitter taste. Its fruits are very small. Children, look at the next line. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The tamarind tree is a huge tree that produces tamarind, an edible fruit with a sour and sweet taste. Edible, which means something that is suitable or safe to eat. Sour, S-O-U-R, sour, having a sharp taste like that of a lemon. It is one of the primary ingredients in Indian cooking, and the tamarind is found within a shell. It gives a cool, enjoyable shade during hot summer. Look at the next line. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The date palms are tall trees, similar to coconut trees. They don't provide shade like peepal, banyan, or neem trees, but the date fruits are tasty, healthy, and full of nutrients. The leaves are long and sharp. The poet says, the leaves are sharp as a blade, meaning that it can even cut through other objects. But it is used for poetical imagination and rhyme only. Children, look at the next line. The teak tree gives us useful wood, timber, hard substance that trees are made of. Hard substance that trees are made of. The teak tree gives us wood that is used for making furniture. The wood from the teak tree is very strong and remains useful for hundreds of years. Yes, children. Next, look at the last line. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Lastly, the poet writes about the mango tree, which gives us tasty mangoes, tasty fruits. Mango is a sweet, juicy fruit, loved by one and all. It is grown during summer. Children, I hope you all understood this poem. Good children. Next, look at the rhyming words of the poem trees. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Usually they come at the end of the lines in poems and songs. Look at the poem, children. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. Look at the last word. Trees, breeze. Trees, breeze. Same ending sound. Same ending sound. So, these are rhyming words. Like that. The coconut grows up straight and tall. Tall. Next line. Last word. Very small. Small. Tall. Small. Tall. Small. Next. Last word. Ending word. Shade. Blade. Shade. Blade. Next. Wood. Good. Wood. Good. These are the rhyming words. Trees. Breeze. Tall. Small. Shade. Blade. Wood. Good. These are the rhyming words of this poem. Children, this is Memoriter. Just learn it and memorize it. For all these good things, children, we must grow and protect trees. Thank you, children.